Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
What's up guys, my name is Ben and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Okay.
So for today's video guys, tuturuan ko kayo kung how to download sound effects, yung mga sound effects, typewriting sound effects, pati yung mga memes.
Oh my God! Wow!
So ituturo ko sa inyo lahat ng yon in here, so keep on watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel because it helps me a lot. Ayun. So, ayun. Let's get right into the video. Hi guys! Nandito na po tayo sa aking mahiwagang cellphone. Dito na po tayo. First, pumunta po tayo sa Google. And then, search nyo MP3 YouTube. Yan. MP3 YouTube, i-search nyo yan. And then, magpapakita itong YouTube to MP3 converter. Open nyo yan, guys. Habang naglo-loading, subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Ayan. So, kung gusto nyo po ng iba pang mga tips and tricks, i-request nyo lang po or kaya naman, guys, is visit my channel, guys. So, pagkatapos nyan, guys, babalik ulit tayo, baback natin. Huwag natin tatanggalin yon. Pumunta tayo sa YouTube. Sorry po kung may maingay. Si mama po yon. Ayan. So, search po natin dito. Sabihin natin, ha ha ha, sound effect. Ayan. So, maghanap lang tayo dito. O, ito. Ayan, guys. Pindutin nyo, guys, yung share and copy link. And then, ibaback nyo. Pumunta tayo agad dito sa YTMP3. Lagay nyo yung link. I-convert nyo, guys. Ayan. Initialize nyo na, guys. And then, download natin. Back ulit natin. At yun. O, yan. Na-open na siya, guys. Ayun. Ganun yun, guys. Wait lang. So, ayun, guys. Kung may natutunan kaya dito sa aking video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell so you never miss any tips and uploads. Thank you guys for watching. Peace. Bye.